Sunny day, stick with me. Sunny's salon is open. A ballet dancer named Hannah visits. She needs her hair to be put in a fancy bun. Sunny uses sticky hairspray. It is very sticky. The dancer invites Sunny and her friends to the ballet. Oh no! The super sticky hairspray gets on Rox and Blair. They are stuck together. How can Rox and Blair get unstuck? Sunny knows. She needs to mix crab apples, sugar, salt, and water. Sunny, Rox, and Blair go to the creek. Timmy helps them find a crabapple tree. Next, they go to the bakery. Cindy, the baker, has sugar, but she is out of salt. Sunny has an idea. They drive to the beach. They can get salt and water from the sea. Uh-oh, now the hairspray gets on Sunny. Her hands stick to the pier. Rox and Blair work together. They mix the crab apples, sugar, salt, and water. It works! They are all unstuck. They get to the ballet just in time. The dancing is wonderful. It is a sunny day when friends stick together. The end. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!